Si Mayan sent 18 stars. Thank you for your stars. Si Alice and Nielsen also, mga yes, tinanggap ko si Jesus. And si Lai, si Gloria, si Naida, and si Adrian. Thank you. Thank you, RD. And we celebrate with all of you who just received Jesus in their lives. Thank you, everyone.
If you want to get my books pala, they're also on Shopee, Lazada, and rdroberto.com.
Yeah.
Real Men and Pogi, Happy Entrepreneur,
Ang dami ng...
Buhay na Hindi Bitin, Pera na Hindi Bitin.
Ang dami mo ng libro, RD. Whoa! So you can learn a lot from these guys. Sinasabi ko po talaga. So, you know, if you need guidance and wisdom, check out the books of RD Roberto. Thank you, everybody, for watching.
Thank you.
May Jesus, the Prince of Peace, surround and fill all of you, and you too, RD, and your family with His peace that surpasses all understanding. Good night, everyone. Good night, RD.
Good night. God bless.
Stay hopeful in the Lord. Bye. We love you.
Peace.
Wash your hands.